Good morning, all of you. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Rishabh Sahani. बेटा एक मिनट आना जरा. Rishabh Sahani. Rishabh.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Rishabh, what is the meaning of your name?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Rishabh, what is the meaning of your name? Rishabh, I'm asking what is the meaning of your name? Do you know the meaning of your name, Rishabh? Sorry? Do you know?
No, sir.
You don't know the meaning of your name. Achha? Adekshia. Adekshia Gangwar. Good morning, beta. Adekshia.
Good morning, sir.
Adekshia, do you know what is the meaning of your name? आपको मालूम है?
Sir, my name is Adeshika Gangwar.
Adeshika. अच्छा, Adeshika. अच्छा, Adeshika Gangwar. Adeshika, what is the meaning of your name?
Ma'am, sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Adeshika.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, प्रतिष्ठा. ये कौन है? प्रतिष्ठा. What is the name? प्रतिष्ठा. प्रतिष्ठा.
Pratishtha.
प्रतिष्ठा. प्रतिष्ठा की स्पेलिंग क्या है?
P-R-A-T-I-S-S-T-H.
PRA. तो आपका A मिस हो गया बेटा नाम से. देखो अपनी स्पेलिंग.
Yes, sir. It is in computer, ma'am. Mistake होता है.
अच्छा, प्रतिष्ठा. Do you know the meaning of your name? प्रतिष्ठा.
Yes. Yes, sir.
What is it?
Respect.
Respect. Respect. चलो, very good. बहुत very good. बड़े अच्छे अच्छे नाम वाले बच्चे बैठे हैं. आद्विका. Very nice. चलिए, okay. Okay, everyone. So we are starting with the chapter now. The first chapter that is there in your book. The name of the chapter is. What is the name? Tell me. All of you.
Number and numeration.
The name of the chapter.
Numbers and numerator.
Numbers and numeration.
The name of the chapter is numbers and numeration. Okay. This was also there in class 4. Do you remember you have studied this chapter in class 4 also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I ask you, can you write the number name of a given number? क्या आप लोगों को लिखना आता है number name?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
do you know how to insert कॉमास इन इंडियन एंड इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम, दोनों सिस्टम में आपको कॉमा इंसर्ट कैसे करते हैं मालूम है? डू यू नो?
I know. Sir, I know.
Do you know how to insert commas in Indian system and in international system?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mandavya, do you want to say
Yes,
something?
sir.
Sir,
Yes.
you have told in first class. First class. Sir, you are saying numerations of chapter 1.
Yes, chapter 1.
So, sir, I know to insert commas in the international also and Indian also.
Very good.
I also know.
Chalo, very good. Okay, now everyone please keep your mics off. Mics are off. Okay. देखिए, so okay, just to check, मैं एक यहाँ पर I will write a number and I will ask you to write the number name of this number just to check. Okay.
Sir, in
लेकिन आप
notebook or rough notebook?
नहीं, you don't have to write it in any notebook. किसी भी notebook में नहीं लिखना आपको. आपको आंसर कहाँ लिखना है? You have to write your answer in the chat box. Chat box मालूम है? Zoom का chat box यूज करना आता है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो बड़े होशियार बच्चे हो गए हैं, अब तो एक्सपीरियंस हो गया है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अटेंड करने का, है ना सारे बच्चों को. अब तो आप लोग आने वाले जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, न्यू स्टूडेंट्स हैं, या फिर अपने से बड़ों को भी जूम चलाना सिखा सकते हैं. हमारे बच्चे आजकल बड़ों को सिखाते हैं मोबाइल वगैरह यूज करना, मोबाइल और लैपटॉप,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Brother.
Yes, sir.
वेरी नाइस.
Yes, sir.
चलो, so you all have to use the chat box and write the number name of this number. I am going to write a number on the board. You have to write the number name of this number in the chat box. Don't give your answer by speaking. बोल के आंसर नहीं देना. Keep yourself mute. सारे बच्चे अपने माइक ऑफ कर लीजिए पहली बात. Keep your mics off. Very good. So this is the number. This is the number. This is a large number. Large numbers आपने पढ़े थे. So this is a large number. You have to write the number name of this number in the chat box. Write it. मैं बस चेक करना चाह रहा हूँ कि बच्चों को आता है. I can see some of you have given the answer in the chat box. Some of you are still left. So keep giving your answers. इसके बाद I will tell you the correct answer. Okay. So I'm telling you the answer, all of you. Are you all ready? You can check your answer. मैं आंसर बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पर. The answer is 2,45,309. 2,45,309. So, who has got the correct answer? How many of you have got the correct answer? Tell me.
Sir, I.
Sir, I get the correct answer.
Sir, I.
I have written the correct answer.
Yes, beta, have you all done? How many of you have got the correct answers?
Sir, I have the correct answer.
Sir, I have
Sir, I
also
also.
correct
Sir, I
answer.
have
I'm telling you one more. You have to write the answer of this one also. Okay. Three comma 238 comma 404. Yes, beta, have you all done? Okay. I'm telling you the answer of this one also. This is first of all, this number is an international system or Indian system. Commas यहाँ पर कैसे?
International.
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 Yes,
International.
the commas are written in international system. तो आंसर यहाँ पर क्या होगा? ध्यान से सुनिए, all of you listen. The answer is 3,238,404. What is the answer? 3,238,404. How many of you have got the correct answer? जिनका आंसर सही है वो अपने हैंड रेस कर दीजिए,
And
चैट बॉक्स में हैंड रेस कर दीजिए, और चैट बॉक्स में ऐप में हैंड रेस करिए. Do you know how to raise your hand? जिनका आंसर सही है जल्दी से हैंड रेस करो. Very nice. Very good. So many of you have got the correct answer. Very good. Excellent. Okay.
Sir, can I
Okay. Now you all can put down your hand.
tell the answer?
Yes. बताइए आंसर बताइए.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Yes. Yes.
3,38,404.
बेटा इसको इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में देना. Answer should be in international system. Why? Because the commas are written in international system. यहाँ पे जो commas लगे वो international system में लगे. तो आंसर क्या होगा? It is 3,238,404. 3,238,404. This is the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir. Math correct.
Very good. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, so we are starting with the exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1 open करो सब लोग. Exercise 1.1, open it in your copies. Sorry, open in your books. Books में ही करना है ये.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when we have to do this work in a
You have to do this in your book. Do the first exercise, first question in the book. Book में करना
We have
है.
to do with pen or
Sir, we
pen.
have to do with pen or pencil.
पेंसिल से करना है बेटा. बुक में जब भी आप कोई काम करेंगे हमेशा पेंसिल से करेंगे, याद रखिएगा. अब आप लोग 5th क्लास में आ गए हैं, बड़े बच्चे हो गए हैं. बड़े बच्चों को एक बार बताओ, बड़े बच्चे समझ जाते हैं. तो
Sir, do not have the new book. Sir, they are by.
Sir, exercise, we have to do exercise 1.1.
exercise 1.1 question A. Whenever you do something in the book, you have to do it with the help of a pencil. Write with the help of a pencil. And if you are doing in the copy, you will use a pen. ठीक है? Copy में करने के लिए pen का use करें. Okay. So first part of the question. 22,000 इसको न्यूमरल फॉर्म में लिखना है. The number name is already given. आपको न्यूमरल फॉर्म लिखनी है. 22,115. The answer is 22,115. 22,115. 22,115. Written the answer in the book, all of you.
Yes, sir.
22,115. Have you all written the answer in the book? Okay, right. Do all the remaining parts on your own. I know you all can do it. Do all the remaining parts on your own in the book only. Start doing it.
Sir, I have done.
I'm writing the answer of the first. Exercise 1.1. Question A. first part. Answer is 22,115. 22,115. Okay. Second one. 60,423. 60,423. 60,423. 60,423. This is the answer. Okay. Do all the remaining parts on your own in the book. Okay, how many of you have done?
Sir, I
Sir, I
am also done.
Anyone left?
I have
Is there anyone
No,
who's
sir.
still doing? बताइए कोई बच्चा कर रहा है अभी? ये सबने कर लिया. All of you have done.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to do second one exercise.
Sorry, what are you saying?
What for?
Okay, now everyone, you have to start doing the question B. First part, देखो. I'm telling you the answer of the first part. You have to write the number name. जो आपने अभी अभी काम किया था, मैंने पूछा था आपसे वही काम करना है. Write the number name of the given numbers. First वाला देखो यहाँ पर 56,712. 56,712. The answer is 56,712. 56,712. This is the answer of the first one. So again, you will do the question in your book. Write all the answers in the book. In question B. Okay. I'm giving you 3 minutes to do all the parts. Can you do all the parts in 3 minutes? कर सकते हैं. बताइए जल्दी से. Speed आपकी कैसी है? देखते हैं. Let's see. Can you all do the second question B in 3 minutes?
No, sir.
नहीं कर पाओगे? ट्राई करो. अच्छा बेटा, ट्राई.